Welcome my YouTube channel. Yay!
I'm gonna give this to you now.
Yay!
Here you go. Oh, you can't open that because it has plastic wrap around it. It has a plastic wrap around it. So we're gonna open that with the help of doll to open the thing, the box.
The box.
Yeah, the box. We're gonna need scissors. What color are the scissors?
Black.
Black. That's great. You know the colors. Okay, so what color is the box? What color is the box? Don't do that.
Don't do that.
Yeah, don't do that.
Don't do
The color of the box is pink.
pink.
So what color is the box?
Pink.
Okay, let's open the box.
Open
Yeah. So, can you sit down? Sit down for us. Come on, sit down. Okay, there we go. Okay, this is the Hello Kitty surprise eggs. Let's open it. Okay, so let's open it right now. Okay, wait. Yep, we're gonna open it like this. Like this. You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Yay!
Yay.
I got it open. Ow, that hurts. Okay, so it's open now. Yay!
Yay.
Yay, it's open. Can you see it? It's open now.
Whoa.
This is hard to open. Ah, there we go. Now it doesn't have packaging. Do you want to start opening this? Or no? I'll open it for you. I understand that. Oh, so this is the first look. It's kind of... Oh, the chocolate is melted. No, the chocolate is melted inside. Wait, before we open this, we have to put it in the freezer. So I'll go ahead and put it in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes. See you! Okay guys, so we're done putting it on the freezer. So now, we're gonna open it. Let's take one surprise egg first. Oh, it's really cold. It's a little wet. Wait, can you sit down? Sit down first, sit down. Okay, show your face at the camera. Okay, so we're gonna find out what we got. Oh, I opened it a little. Okay, you open the rest. Wow! Open it faster, faster. Open it faster. Want me to open it for you? Okay, give me the egg, give me the egg. Come on, give me the egg. Oh, okay, open it. It's very out of shape because it was really soft when we bought it first. No, don't eat the egg yet. She ate the egg. That's not how you open it. This is how you open it. Yeah. Crack that egg open. Oh yeah, I forgot to say that we have to put paper underneath. Here's the paper. So we don't get a mess. Here we go. Eat your chocolate. Here's your chocolate. Let me have a taste. Mmm. Very yummy. Oily too. So this is the toy. This is the toy. Right, baby Tweety? This is the toy. We're gonna open it. Oh, baby Tweety wants to open the toy later. So we're gonna set the toys aside and open them later. So So we're gonna get a new egg and open it. This time I'm going to be opening the egg. Tastes really good. Here's your other egg, eggshell. Ooh. This one. Oh, we cracked it open. Okay, so this one has some chocolates. Oh, she's enjoying it. Tasty. Okay, so this is the mess that we created right now. Yeah, that's pretty messy, but we got the toys. We have 2 toys. So let's open the toys. Whoa, we got a Hello Kitty. So this is what you can get. There's no. That's what you can get. Yeah.
This is
And these are the
sky.
chocolate.
Chocolate. Ooh.
And we got this Hello Kitty right here. We got this Hello Kitty right here. It's really, really small, but that's fine. So yeah, we got those.
We're hungry.
Okay, now let's open the other one. Alright, open it. Press it. Like this. All she wants to do is eat chocolate. Alright, what did we get? I think we got a little Hello Kitty. She's ready to swim for the summer. So, what Hello Kitty we got is this one right here. Oh, my camera is really blurry. Right, we got the Hello Kitty right there, and here she is. Yeah? Okay, so that's her. Table a little bit because it's really, really cold. Chocolates! Right, so we're gonna open the last egg. No more in there, no more. This is the last egg. Do you want to open this? I think she's busy eating chocolates. Oh, okay. Open it. Wait, let me start to open it. And you open it.
Okay.
Do you like the chocolate? Ooh, she likes the chocolate. Well, you got it open now. Okay, give me the egg. Give me the egg. Give me the egg now. No, don't bite. Don't bite through it. Okay, so we're gonna smash this egg right now. Okay, didn't smash it, just did that. Okay, this is the last egg. And we're gonna open a surprise toy. Don't tell me we got the same other one. Oh, we didn't. Okay. That's great. Okay, so we got this toy. I'm just focusing all the time. Okay. So we got this one over here. See? We got the sailor. She's a sailor. She loves chocolate right there. She's enjoying it. Alright, so here's all of our mess. What happened? Oh my goodness.
Bye guys.